FluxMateria is built around a simple idea. If we understand the structure of matter deeply enough, we should be able to predict more of its behavior before running expensive simulations or experiments. That premise changes how a research team can use its compute, its time, and its lab capacity. The point is not to replace every downstream method. The point is to make those methods more selective. The question is, why does this even need to exist? Why is this the right moment for something new? The bottleneck is not just speed. It's having speed, physical grounding, and interpretability in the same workflow. So the real question becomes, what would a tool look like that doesn't force the trade-off? This is the platform idea. One computation layer that supports multiple scientific domains without becoming a separate tool for every property. So how does it actually work? The basic workflow is simple. Give the engine structure, and it returns property signals that can be ranked, audited, and tested. But here's where it gets interesting and harder to explain in one breath. What actually makes this engine different from every other prediction tool? Many prediction tools learn from training data. FluxMateria's core does not. The engine comes from physical structure, not from regression against benchmark data. Benchmarks score it. They do not train it. The platform is broad, but the validation posture is specific. Each property class needs its own dataset, metric, scope, and evidence. Now, where does this actually live in a working R&D stack? The highest value place to use FluxMateria is early, when the search space is still large and every downstream choice is expensive. But none of this matters unless the predictions can actually be tested. So let's talk about that. We invite you to bring us a hard data set, looking for problems where prediction is expensive, uncertain, or too slow. You can request validation, explore our benchmarks, or start a pilot in a focused R&D workflow. FluxMateria. Screen like you have infinite compute. Structure in, properties out. The next step is yours to take. Visit FluxMateria.com to start.